I think more and more we are coming to the conclusion that nature is all of it, and nature is everything, and we are in the center not because we are more important, it's because it's our responsibility to give voice to whatever nature is. And in that sense, again, documentaries are exactly the way to do it.
Competition I'm judging is really strong, and I'm also glad that there are some very good films from the region, which are, I mean, from the Balkans, from former Yugoslavia, which are really competing on the same level with the films from much more developed industries. And not only because they're in the same competition, but they are really on the equal level of quality.
I don't see such a clear-cut difference between documentaries and fiction. So I think it's not that one is necessarily truer than the other. Like documentaries presents things as they are, and like fiction film would be a lie or an invention. I think that both have to be created, both have to be put together and composed to be good films, and that for me is more important. A great film will transport something, yeah, but it's not only about issue, because I think human rights, or just political filmmaking, I would call it, it's also in the aesthetics. It's not just the issue that it's presented, it's the way it is presented. And that can be great both in documentary and in fiction film, and it can be awful both in documentary and in fiction film. So for us it's just important that it's a great film, or a film that belongs in the cinema, not so much which genre it belongs to.
I think documentaries are becoming more and more vital, because now that we are in a transition period in terms of ideology, in the general confusion we have with history, the documentaries are our creative eyes, our creative ways of relating with life, with society, with our future. So it has become an extraordinarily powerful tool. And then even fiction, commercial cinema is adopting some elements of documentary, trying to create fake reality situations, trying even to create a documentary air to many of the important productions, to make it relevant and to make it emotional. Because in the end, there is no story which is more powerful than a real story.
Ono što je ohrabruvačko je što все поише внимание се обрнува на документарниот филм на ФДУ, а особено уште повеќе од тоа е што гледам еден добар број филмови, не можам да речам сите, да не претерувам, ама еден добар број филмови од тие студентските се токму на некоја трага на она што ја го подразбирам под расен документаризам, а тоа е свртување кон животот, бирање на некои конкретни теми и сижеа кои што директно ги допираат тие млади автори, значи не е некаква абстрактна сега као стилска вежба да се покаже колку ја знам да правам или да водам некаква филмска документарна нарација, него нешто што те засегнува, што те допира, на што ти како автор, документариста треба да реагираш. И тоа е еден правец кој што мислам дека треба да се негува уопште во документаризмот во Македонија, и мислам дека тоа е охрабрувачки изразито. Така да квалитетот е сега нормално дека сум пак и тука пристрасен, наши студенти, стварно на многу високо ниво. Тие студентски филми од втора, трета година и така натаму.